Yes, hello everyone. My name is Asima Regan once again, and I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. And then today we are basically going to be diving into the Google applications, and we shall be starting with YouTube in particular. So to access these Google apps, you're going to open your Google Chrome, and then you navigate to the top right corner. Then you look for these 9 dots that form a square in the top right corner. Then you tap on those dots, and then we have a drop down box showing us the different Google applications that we have. So you can see we have Google Drive, Gmail, YouTube, Gemini, Google Maps, Google Search. So we are interested in YouTube, so we double click on YouTube so that we can open YouTube. So it is loading. So these are the different Google apps we have: Google Meet, we have Play Store, we have Google Classroom, Google Forms, Google Contacts. Yes, the network is a bit slow, but it is loading. So we have opened our YouTube right here, and basically what is the importance of YouTube? YouTube is a Google application that can serve a number of functions, a number of purposes, depending on the user-defined task. So it is a Google application that can perform a number of user-defined tasks. Now, so we have the search box here. It is in this search box that we can use to access any video across YouTube that you are interested in. If you may be interested in watching highlights of Arsenal, maybe Arsenal versus Man U. So that is our search box, and after typing what you're interested in, you press enter, and it should be able to bring for you different videos regarding your search, and then you're able to pick out whichever video you're interested in. Then on your left we have a number of toggle options. We have the home, so when you click here you go back to the home page. Then we have shorts. These are basically short YouTube videos. Then your subscriptions, the people you've subscribed to. Yes, we can always subscribe to different channels so that we can keep posted on whatever information they post, and whatever information you're interested in, you always subscribe so that you can always keep posted. Then here we have history. This is your history of browsing. So this basically is a page that shows the history of what you've been accessing across YouTube. So basically this history page shows your watch history, what you've been viewing on YouTube for the past few days. Then we have the playlists. You can add videos to your playlist so that you can always access them later in case you don't want to watch them at that particular time. Then we have your videos. Now here this is where the videos you upload onto your YouTube channel can be accessed. So this is channel. I think you can see you have your channel content, and under videos you have all the videos that you could have uploaded on your particular channel. Then watch later, we have liked videos, and then downloads. So under downloads, this is where the videos you could be watching, and then maybe you're interested in the videos for future reference. You can always download those videos, and they should appear under your downloads right here. Then here we have your subscriptions. Here you can view your subscriptions, and then we have explore. You can explore music, films, gaming, sports, courses, depending on whatever you're interested in. Maybe you're a fan of music, so I want to explore some music across YouTube. So you click on music, and then they should be able to bring for you a couple of options. So here we have Justin Bieber, Speed Demon. Yeah, so they bring for you a couple of videos that you could be interested in depending on your taste and preference. So now here we have the create in your top right corner. we have create, so we can tap on create. Now here basically this option allows us to create content or create a post, and then we upload it onto our YouTube channel. So we can upload a video, that is if the video is already there and you're just going to upload it, or we can go live so that viewers can be able to view your content in real time as you're delivering. Viewers are able to view your content. Then create post, this is if the post is to be uploaded but has not yet been created. So you record and then you upload later. Then we have this car bell here. This is basically for notifications, showing you the different notifications, keeping you updated on your YouTube channel. So this is basically a rundown of our Google application, which was YouTube. And then I think this is basically it for YouTube. So in our next video we shall be diving into Google Contacts, so stay tuned and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on our next video talking about Google Contacts. So stay tuned, do not forget to like, subscribe and comment.